everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 198 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So I recently picked this up from Ulta. It retails for $8.49. It is a smaller bottle than I was expecting, considering this is actually their full-size version, but I guess it's not super expensive. They do have a hydrating version, but for some reason lately my skin has been getting kind of oily throughout the day. I don't necessarily have super oily skin. It could be the summertime, but I tend to find myself using a blotting sheet about once a day. So I'm hoping that this matte version will help keep my makeup looking mattified so that I'm not getting greasy later on in the day. I also like to mention that NYX is a cruelty-free brand. So right now my makeup is complete and I'm loving how it looks. It's a pretty natural look today, but I want it to stay intact all day long. So I love to set my makeup, but I've never tried a matte setting spray. The way the bottle sprays is a huge factor in whether or not I like a setting spray, but if I don't like it, I'll just put it into a spray bottle that I do like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it about 8 to 10 inches away from my face and spray my whole face. The scent to this is kind of weird. I don't love it. It kind of smells like alcohol. But now that it's settled, I don't get that scent anymore, so I guess it's okay. Whip out my handy dandy fan. And I just dry my setting spray. I don't know about you, but I can't really notice a difference in my skin now that I've applied this. Like, my skin feels like it's set, but I actually like how it looks on my skin because I do have my highlight on and I do have a somewhat glowy makeup look, and it's still looking glowy. It's not like it took away that sheen, but it is glowy from shimmer, so I didn't expect it to cover up that sparkle. On the places where I don't have the highlighted glowy makeup, like my under eyes, kind of my forehead, my skin does look pretty matte, and I actually do like this spray bottle. It does mist pretty nicely and evenly. It's hard to review a setting spray at first glance. I am going out tonight with my boyfriend, just going out to the local bar and hanging out. So I'm going to be able to give this a wear test of about probably at least around 8 hours. So I'm going to write down in the comments down below how this wore, if my skin got oily or if it kept my skin matte when it would get greasy throughout the day. And I'll also let you know just how my makeup looked with this on top of it, if it helped set my makeup for an all-day long-lasting wear. I guess I kind of thought that I would see more of a dramatic difference in my skin after applying this, and I'm honestly glad that I don't, because when I apply my makeup, I'm usually happy with the finish of it, and that's how I want to maintain it. So I think this is nice so far. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite setting sprays. I did notice that on Ulta.com, this one was very high rated, and so far I can understand why those ratings are so high for this. So don't forget to check out my final thoughts on this product in the description down below, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.